HODLing is a cryptocurrency investment strategy that means to hold on and not sell. Traders that are hodlers generally hold on to their cryptocurrency assets and ignore short-term market fluctuations. There are two reasons why a trader wants to hodl. The first is that they really believe in the asset or technology. And second, if they hodl long enough, then the gains from their initial investment and patience will pay off in the long run, and they'll realize a larger percentage gain than by day trading. The term HODL became popular following a drunken rant on a Reddit Bitcoin forum in 2013. It came as a result of bearish news in the Bitcoin market when the Chinese government first banned Bitcoin for purchasing and selling goods or services. GameCube, the author of the term, misspelled the word hold, and his typo soon caught on and became famous. Now, it's one of the most widely used crypto investing terms out there. If you're new to cryptocurrency and you've Googled Bitcoin or frequently looked at Twitter, then you've probably read the phrase HODL, HODL Bitcoin, or HODL your crypto. Essentially, you can think of it as meaning hold on for dear life. Interestingly, at the end of his post, GameCube made an eye-catching statement, which states his trading philosophy. He said, "In a zero-sum game such as this, traders can only take your money if you sell." This is the core concept behind HODLing. If you sell your investment and it increases in value when you're out of the market, then you're the one that loses. The main theory and motivation behind HODL is to buy low and resist the temptation to sell, even as the prices rise. This is how you do it. You buy, accumulate, and HODL. So, in trading versus HODLing, who makes the biggest profits? Let's look at the crypto market crashes that happened in 2018 and 2020. These are perfect cases that support the HODL investing strategy. In December 2017, the price of Bitcoin reached $19,700. But by November 2018, Bitcoin fell to a low of $5,500. Then, from 2018 to the middle of 2020, the price of Bitcoin more or less stayed below 10K and rarely broke that mark. However, by summer 2020, a bull market began and Bitcoin saw its price go from 10K in June to 60K by April 2021. It went parabolic, and as a result, some day traders made a lot of money, but many lost out on the action, not the hodlers. This is why hodling prevailed, which relates back to what GameCube said in his post. "I'm a bad trader, and good traders can spot the highs and lows and make $1 million. Some people, mainly the professionals, are great at day trading and timing the market, but not everyone is a professional trader, and not everyone can spend every minute analyzing the charts to find the perfect moment to execute their trades. Therefore, a day trader would have spent all their energy timing the market and making trades on the technicals. But a hodler who bought the dip and accumulated from 2018 onwards would have likely profited more than those swing traders." So, why should I hodl? Cryptocurrency traders and investors choose to hodl because the crypto bull market is running. There's a lot of retail investor enthusiasm, and we're seeing increased institutional adoption. The economy is rapidly moving in the digital services direction. Moreover, in a normal crypto trading environment, people make money by buying and selling coins as their prices fluctuate. However, it's actually this trading activity that causes cryptocurrency markets to fluctuate. This is because they're largely based on the forces of supply and demand. Increased demand pushes prices upward, while significant selling pressure drives prices lower. It's a tricky game and quite challenging for traders to time their transactions exactly right so as to maximize their profits each time. However, as a hodler, all you need to do is hold on and ignore all the market fluctuations. Now you may be thinking, if I hodl, when do I stop? The end game varies for different people. For example, some say you should hodl until your coin is worth a sum that you're happy with. Then you simply sell and take profits. However, others argue that prices may continue to rise after you've sold, and you'll regret your decision to not wait longer. Some of these others say hodl until your coin becomes a fully spendable currency and you won't need to worry about having to sell it back anymore. Instead, you'll be able to simply spend what you have as is. The risk here is that not all coins are created equal, and no one can guarantee the future of any crypto and its ability to become a full-fledged currency. Not to mention, a growing number of cryptos aren't even aiming to be a spendable currency. Rather, they serve to fuel an ecosystem with other goals. In the case of Bitcoin, if you'd purchased and HODLed your coins from the start, your profits would be unprecedented. Luckily, many believe that Bitcoin is still in its infancy, and you may still be early if you start investing now. So, people are always asking the questions: how long should I HODL? Should I HODL or take the profit? What's better, HODLing or day trading? HODLing or swing trading? Should I HODL or stake? So, let's answer these pressing questions. If you're deliberating whether to HODL or take profits, you should ask yourself the question: do I believe the price of this crypto will increase in the future? If your answer is yes, then your investing strategy will likely lean more towards HODLing. If you're deliberating whether to HODL or day trade, you should ask yourself the question: am I good at timing the market, and do I have the time to commit to constantly watching the market? If your answer is no, then you may want to keep things simple and HODL. If you're considering longer-term trades, you should also consider your own skill at trading, as well as the volatility of the market. If you don't want to invest the time into learning trading, you can HODL instead. Also, if you believe in a crypto project that's new and super volatile, HODLing may be a safer option than trading. And if you're an investor thinking about HODLing or staking, you can ask yourself, do I want to earn interest on the asset I'm HODLing? If the answer is yes, then you can consider participating in DeFi staking services. But it's important to note that participating in DeFi is riskier than HODLing. Of course, if you want to HODL and still earn interest in a safe way, you can use the Phemex Earn Crypto for safe, guaranteed APY. When looking for what coins to invest in and HODL, you should consider your own knowledge base. If there's a project you've learned a lot about and really believe in, then you can use your specialized knowledge and buy some of their token to HODL. If you don't know much about any cryptos, sticking with something well-established like Bitcoin is probably a better option. If you look at Bitcoin's price history, it's easy to see that long-term HODLing has historically been a solid choice, no matter what price you got in at. In conclusion, HODLing is an investment strategy that many wealthy investors, traders, and institutions employ in their own operations. And thus, it may be a great addition to yours. Investing in cryptocurrencies is risky and not for the faint-hearted. However, it can give you a foot forward in achieving your greater investing goals. So, in the end, are you a HODLer or not a HODLer? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Looking for more ways to earn? Deposit your Bitcoin on Phemex and get rewarded with up to $2,000. Follow the URL in the description of this video for more details.